I'm getting ready to go on the back of Atch's motorbike for the first time. A little bit nervous, and I'm wearing some of his bike gear. I've got a jacket to put on. I've got these like bike trousers. He's ready, he looks great. I'm just wearing his suit. You look good. Oh, you can't really see anything in this light. Right. And I'm gonna put my boots on. I've just put some longer socks on. Are you nervous for me?
No.
Good. Didn't end up filming much of the bike ride yesterday because I was just like in bike mode. Just had to get it done, didn't we?
Yeah. Oh. Didn't realise you had the camera.
This morning, Atch is off to work and I'm off to Gatwick Airport because we're going to Vegas and then to LA, which is mad. Wow, I look beautiful. We just arrived in Las Vegas.
Touchdown.
This is mad. This is absolutely insane. Oh my god. Hello, I just arrived back home after a 10-hour flight from LA, and Atch kindly picked me up from the airport, which was lovely. And I've just walked home, and there's my little sign. The kettle is on. Welcome home, Leah, and some flowers, which is amazing. I was not expecting that. I was expecting a sign, but I wasn't expecting the flowers. So you've done very, very, very well. Thank you, Atchie. Are you ready for your present that I got you from America?
Oh yeah, the present you bought for yourself but then got the other one half price.
So basically, I was trying to like not give him a clue about what it was, but I was like, oh, you know, I bought something in America, and after I bought it, the second one was half price, so I got you a present. So I'm gonna go and get it out of my suitcase now. And I got you a little bonus present as well, which I always get you when I travel. Right, I'm gonna go get that now.
Yeah.
No, you say?
No, I'm just gonna carry on cooking.
No, thank you. Oh, he's doing dinner as well. This is great. I've just checked the house and it's in good shape. Did you? You've made the bed really nice. Oh, fantastic. He's done a good job with this. So I taught him how to karate chop the cushions. That should be that way round, but that's forgivable. That's brilliant. Nice one, Atch. I'm very proud of him. Everything's clean. Everything's tidy. Bathroom looks really good. Right, I better go and get him his present. I got him some sliders. Imagine getting home and opening your case and none of it is your stuff. And you picked up the wrong case. Yeah, it's mine. Okay. Right. This for him. And I got him something else as well. Okay, you ready for your present?
Oh!
No, the US size, so don't worry, they will fit.
No, it wasn't that. I was just saying like the Nike box.
Yeah.
Oh my days. Oh, I reckon these are slides.
They are slides.
Yeah.
And I've got you bonus as well.
Oh! Yeah.
Do you like the colour?
Yeah, I really like the colour.
Yes.
Yeah, I like the colour.
I bet you, I couldn't find your size, had to go one up.
Yeah.
But I thought often you wear socks anyway with slides.
Yeah, cool.
So they're fine.
The slippers for a bit, you know.
Fantastic. Yeah. And there's something else in there as well.
Nice little bonus. Oh, yes.
I always get him this when I go to America.
They're amazing. Love it.
Burt's Bees.
Love it. Thank you.
That's okay.
I'm so lucky. She goes away for 2 weeks, so I'll get the place to myself, and I get stuff when she comes back. Oh.
I thought you liked army green.
Yeah, I love army green.
I got Adidas ones.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
3 stripes.
Yeah, I'll show you now. I got black and gold Adidas. Everyone in America calls it Adidas, so it's Adidas.
Yeah, that's why I was going to call it Nike, and then I was just like,
it's Nike.
I'm trying to get into Nike.
It is Nike.
Habit of calling it that.
Yeah. Whilst I was away, Atch's brother found these lights underneath our sink that we didn't even know we had. Our house just looks better with those lights on. It's lovely. So nice.
I prepped the veg earlier.
Fantastic.
So the veg is prepped.
Fantastic.
Right. Stir fry that.
Yes.
Roasted chicken prepped from earlier.
Fantastic.
So that this meal can be ready in 10 minutes. Job done.
That's great. So not only does he pick me up from the airport, flowers on my return, he's also prepped the dinner.
And also, I'm not the sort of person that blows my own trumpet.
Yeah, I know you're not.
But I also got 2 sumptuous salted caramel cheesecakes as well.
That's more for you than it is for me, but I'm very happy about that.
Topped up on the ice cream.
I
went in for double salted caramel, 99 flake. That 99 flake.
99. The way you say 99 is really funny.
I don't mean this in a disrespectful way, but I don't think Americans will understand like the nostalgia of a 99 flake. You know, when you were a kid and you used to get Mr. Whippy, like 99 flake.
Yeah, 100%.
Amazing.
It's amazing.
And then my mate told me about this Halo Top cinnamon roll.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm looking forward to nailing the whole tub because it's only 360 calories.
Great. Oh, nice. Berries stocked up. Thank you.
Got you your 0%.
Oh, yeah. Yogurt's been stocked up, so Ash has this one, full fat.
Obviously 2 tubs.
And I have mine, 0.
Oh yeah, look, you can have some of this as well if you want, that baklava.
Oh, lovely. Is that from your yaya?
No, it's from the Turkish on the corner.
Oh, nice. Right, I've put some flowers here, taken a few of them out, left a few little yellow ones in, and I'm about to set up and film some IGTV stuff. Excuse that loud noise, that is my washing machine. I am actually regretting putting it on right now because I'm about to film. I'm just setting up a light, and what I'm filming is a little bit of content for IGTV because I woke up this morning and I wrote down a list of 10 things that I have learned in the 25 years that I've been alive, as I'm about to turn 26. And I thought, do you know what? This is a good list, but it'd be even better if I just said them out loud, because then, you know, I can expand on them a little bit more. For instance, one of them was like, LA is overrated. And I thought, I should probably expand on that before I just put that out there, because you never know who you're going to trigger. Right, so I'm actually, this is hilarious, look at these lights. Even though I've got an abundance of daylight in this room, you still need light coming this way if the light is behind the subject. So because my big window is there, I can't film this way because the background's crap. But if I film this way, I do need light, so that's why I'm setting up a huge light. And sometimes Joel and I both get questions saying, please show us more of the setup process, like how you actually film for a video and what equipment you use. Look at the size of this bulb. So I thought I'd do exactly that right now. This is just a simple softbox light from Amazon, and these bulbs, they come with it. You've got to be quite careful though, because I say that as I fail. And then you've got this little cover that goes on the front to diffuse it, because it's such a strong fluorescent light that comes off of it. Best plugs ever. Feels so nice to be back in the UK. It's really strong, but on camera it just looks normal, but you need it. Right, I thought about doing this and I was talking myself out of it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lia Hatzakis. Oh, it's so nice. It's actually a decent temperature. It's probably like
21 degrees Celsius.
21?
What's that like? Piping hot in England.
So this beach is called Bognor Regis Beach.
The sunniest town in the UK, Bognor Regis.
And it's actually got the happiest people as well. I just made that up, I don't know where it has. Yeah, I think we're just going to go for a walk, and then are we going to get an ice cream?
Yeah,
No.
No?
Is that a serious
No,
question?
yeah, that's a yeah.
Oh, no?
Is that a
No,
serious question?
yeah, that's a yeah.
Oh, okay, getting an ice cream, even though
We'll have to
I've put on
agonise
3 kg in America.
No,
I'm just going to skip the ice cream, I think.
You're just
But
going to watch us eat the ice
I'm going to watch you guys eat the ice cream.
Starters, you need to go out.
Yeah.
10 different flavours. Yeah.
Right, these guys are getting to get an ice cream. I'm very tempted, but might just have a spoon of your... Might get a spoon of yours.
Ice cream.
You have to get one.
Ice cream El Presidente.
Ice cream El Presidente, what's your thoughts?
Well, I'm visiting here and I can't see any red carpet.
Oh.
To be honest, so.
For anyone who doesn't already know, he posts ice cream videos on Instagram and he's desperate for more followers, so go give him a follow on Instagram.
Desperate is a lot of big word.
Desperate. Luscious.
Do you know
They
what?
spelled luscious correctly? Yeah.
Lush lemon. Have they got
Just lemon.
Roger? Is that rum and raisin there? Or
It
that
is.
chocolate?
Rum and raisin.
Rum and raisin.
Yeah.
Sick.
Lucky for me, they haven't got my favourite, so I'm not gutted.
that sounds good.
Right, I'm about to film, actually, doing the ice cream story. So this is what I do. I hold the phone.
You need to get the beach in the background.
Yeah, beach in the background, and then
Just call it Marsh something farm. It's come from a farm. This ice cream.
Oh, I don't
I don't know.
Yeah, it's Caribbean
Caribbean,
coconut
straight
flavour.
from the
But I mean,
Caribbean.
Yeah.
right.
Okay, where do you want to go? Beach in the background?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do double
Take this very seriously.
vlog this. Let's get it on hands free.
Sailing boat in the back.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, it's good.
This is good. All right. So in 3, 2.
I'm going in. I'm going in.
Okay.
Caribbean coconut. Unreal.
Really?
Unreal. That's so creamy.
Really?
Vinegary, loads of bits of coconut in there.
You're going to take the PB?
No way.
9.5.
8.5.
No way.
No, I'm telling you, that's minimum 9.5.
You're joking.
Minimum. Give it a 9.6, go on. Treat yourself.
No, 10 out of 10.
Nah, it's not a 10 out of 10. It's from Bognor region. 9.5.
Wow.
And that's the
A minute ago.
I'm telling you.
Is it a 9.5?
That's
good.
nice.
Is it?
That's real nice.
Can I have a spoon? Can I try? Just
Yeah.
Yeah, go on then. Do you want, yeah, go for his because I literally just licked that. Mmm.
Oh, it's nice. It's
I
nice
like
if
that.
you like coconut creamy.
Yeah.
And I like
Very
bits.
creamy.
Yeah,
I
very
like the
creamy.
tiny bits of coconut because I like that. That's really good.
It's
If you want
nice.
to watch more of his reviews,
But
they're
I
all
don't
on his
think I could eat a
Instagram.
whole.
We are exhausted after, well, ice cream walk on the beach. Came home and I actually felt really sorry for Roger and Suze when they were like, we're going to the supermarket now, because I was like, I know we've got HelloFresh. Just made this in 15 minutes. No faff, no decisions to make, no supermarkets to go into. Just come home, bash out the food, and we're
So
ready
good.
to eat. It's so good. If you guys are interested in HelloFresh, I have got a code which gets you 50% off. So check that out in my description. I highly, highly recommend it. It's actually changed my life. And his for when I was away.
Yeah, it's...
And yours.
You checked, didn't you, earlier? And you were like, oh, we can have... I said to you, check which one the quickest one is to make.
Spicy.
Is it really spicy?
It's good though. I think we can both handle that amount of spice. You can adjust it and put less, but I put half the pot of spice in. Yeah, we checked and this one was the 15-minute recipe. Some of the others are like 30, 35. So we were like, in a rush, let's just do the 15-minute one. Delicious.
That is flavoursome.
It is, isn't it? Hello, it is Wednesday. Wednesday tends to be my London day. So today's the day that I go into London, I meet Joel, we have meetings with our management and so on. Oh, my eczema has flared up again on the side of my mouth, so not feeling very happy about that. I had a really bad flare up in Vegas and then it calmed down and now it's back again. So not great. Achille has just gone as well. It's his London day too. We sat and had breakfast together and now I'm about to put my makeup on and leave for the station. I've just been looking at a bit of footage that I filmed yesterday when I set up the cameras all nice and sat down, and I just don't know whether I'm going to upload it because something quite jarring when I'm doing these sit down videos. I think it might be to do with being new to a whole solo channel thing. I'm just not my best, and I know I'll always be my worst critic, but there's something just not right. It's not engaging enough. I mean, I think my loyal followers would watch it, but I don't know about reaching new people. I think they would just be like, gosh, she's so boring. So yeah, bit disappointed with that footage, but you know, we'll just call it a practice. That day can be a little bit of a write-off. unless I look at it with fresh eyes and think, yeah, that's actually quite good. We'll see. So yeah, I'm about to set off for London. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I will see you very soon. Thank you for being patient with me whilst I was gone in the US. I didn't post for 2 weeks, which is bad. Didn't keep my promise of once a week on the channel, but we're back on track now, back in the UK. Everything's good, and yeah, see you next time. Bye. Like, subscribe, do all the things. Bye, bye, bye.